Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and of course the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into it, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. This had been on uptrend for a while. You can see my setup, the trading tool I am using. Okay, it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there, and it's trying to go back on downtrend. However, we are still waiting for it to break out below this. Okay, so I believe this should be more of a selling opportunity. It's going to sell more than buying. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be gain next 999, just as predicted in the morning. If you had followed the signal I gave out in my videos in the morning, you would have knew this. Okay, I said this is going to sell more. Okay, and of course you can see it has been selling. Okay, so I gave us an analysis that should get to this point, and of course if it breaks out from there, then we should have more selling point right from there. And as you can see, this is giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and it is still selling. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while. It has made an attempt to buy, but it didn't go out too far all this while. And of course, it has gotten to the same support zone again. So we are expecting it to buy. At least it should get to this region. If it breaks out above this trend line, then it should buy more. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity because it has gotten to the support zone already, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999, and also I also analyzed this in the morning, and it has been buying since then, and it's still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, more TPs will still be achieved later on today. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This has been an uptrend, got to the resistance zone at this point, tried to go back on downtrend, but played around there for long. And of course, it went back, and it will be trying out this resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above it. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God